Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to navigate the research and course guides. Research and course guides are librarian curated pages that point you straight to the best databases, search tips, and citation help for your subject or class. First, you'll want to start on the Bakersfield College homepage, click the magnifying glass in the top right, type library, click the first result, and here you are at the library's main homepage. Click the Research tab. But here we're going to scroll down just a little bit further. We're going to click LibGuides. So research and course guides are also known as LibGuides. And here you are able to look at all of the subjects that have subject guides. You could look at the LibGuides by the type. For example, if you are looking for a specific course guide, you can click here and they are individualized by classroom, sometimes even by section. Here, general purpose guides, these are for just broader general interest subjects such as learning how to cite sources, de-stress fast, finding primary sources, library research skills like that. Subject guides are for just specific subjects. As you can see here, there's art, communication, English, history, so on and so forth. Or if you happen to know a librarian that has created useful resources for you in the past, you can actually search by the owner and you can browse all of the guides created by that particular librarian. So in order to find something that interests you, you can search any of those tabs, or you can simply click the All Guide tabs, which will show everything alphabetically. Similarly, if you're looking for English guides, you could just type English, and then we'll bring up everything that English is tagged with, and then you could filter by subject or tag to find the specific resource that you may be looking for. That is how you navigate the research and course guides, and these are very, very helpful for you, particularly if you are in a class that requires a certain type of research method, a certain type of database or sources that your instructor prefers, or simply if you want to brush up on background information that might be helpful for you in your class. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me or any other friendly BC librarian. We're here to help.